Here's the app called Blemish Remover Photo Tool. Quite popular app recently. Powerful tool that allows you to remove all blemishes and imperfections to create flawless photos to share with your friends. So this is specific use case. You can remove pimples, hide unwanted objects in your photos, selfies, remove wrinkles, smooth skin, hide scars, clear away blemishes, hide acne. So this is the app. Of course, you can use bunch of other AI photo editing apps like Look, AI Face Lab, all of this. But here is exactly the app for blemish remover. So here is it offers you 3-day free trial and $30 per year. So then you can you can just select it like that, and then you can just tap remove, for example, and then you can select target blemish, then press remove. So mode simple or advanced, I don't know, smooth, and then I just wanna. All right, so here you can then just zoom in like that and tap remove. Oh, you can see, wow, it works and really nice. So as you can see, then you can then just zoom in again here and press multiple times. Like that. So then you can just do this and then it works. So you just do this precision and then eventually it works. Then you have filters. And then I don't know if you want to save and share. If you want to have low resolution, then it works fine. If you want to have high resolution, then you need to upgrade. So that's the idea. That's the app. Pretty cool app if you just have one use case for the app. You don't want to mess up with all these AI Face Lab apps. Just use one feature for this. It works pretty cool.